A certificate of good standing proves your business is registered and current with DC. You need it on almost every contract and grant application. Here's how to get one. Start at corponline.dlcp.dc.gov. That's the exact URL. It's hard to find by searching, so bookmark it. Sign in with your Access DC account. Once you're on the dashboard, your registered entity shows at the bottom with your company name and filing info. In the left menu, click Certificates and Certified Copies. Then select Good Standing Certificate. On the entity search page, your company name auto-populates. Click Search and your entity loads with its status. Scroll over to confirm it says active and good standing. Then click Select. Click Add to Cart. If you accidentally added it twice, just delete the extra line item. Hit Pay Now and you'll land on the payment screen. The filing fee is $50. Complete the payment and your certificate is ready to download. Pull a fresh one for each application. Funders check the date. The full written guide and all DC document walkthroughs are on DuoGov.